Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with more model unboxings and reviews. This time we have two beautiful NG models in front of us. We have the NG models FrenchBee A350-900 and the British Airways 777-200ER in the Union Jack, just plain Union Jack livery, no special or anything. Super excited to have both of these. Funny enough, you know, it's funny because I ordered that Gemini Jets version that had been modified off of eBay, and then this was released not long after I got that. So now I have two 777-200s just like that. No problem. Super excited to have both versions. This is actually the one with the G90s. The other one I had the Rolls Royce, as far as I remember. So, you know, a little bit of variety there, but also with this FrenchBee, I actually remember this used to be French Blue, and I have an A350-900 by, I think, Phoenix, with it being French Blue. I believe they rebranded then to FrenchBee, and now they have more A350-900s. I believe they have some 1000s as well, and they recently started service to Los Angeles from Paris Orly. So super excited to add this to my collection. The NG models, A350 mold is pretty darn good. So, you know, excited to have that in here. Their new 777 mold is also fantastic, so it's great to have this British Airways 777-200ER in the collection as well. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with the FrenchBee and then we'll go to the British Airways after. So I'm gonna move that out to the side. We'll go ahead and open and check this out. The box is a little bit dinged up, but that's I think that's just a shipping thing, but not actually from the retailer. I believe that's from the manufacturer. So here's the box. Really nice. Love the blue, all the different shades of blue. Really nice. NG's box art's always pretty damn good. So yeah, it's one of those thick boxes, styrofoam. You can tell. Got that styrofoam packaging in it with the plastic. So let's go ahead and open her up here. There should be a card in this as well. Yep, there's a little collector's card. Put that to the side. Alright, so here we have the model. Looking really nice. Doesn't look like any issues, so we'll go ahead and pop her out. Oh, this is all the scary part, the styrofoam, trying to get them out, but there we go. It's gonna come out no problem. Just put that to the side, put this back over it, and we will get this out of the way for now. Alrighty. Oh wow, this looks amazing. So this is actually their second release of this aircraft. The first one was there's an issue with the printing where the FrenchBee, there was like a gap between it apparently. And I never did get that first version, not because I saw that, but I just didn't have the money at the time. However, when they re-released it, they noticed people said something, they noticed, they re-released it now. And here we have this version where everything is corrected, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. The only thing that I'm a little curious about, I haven't seen one of these in real life, nor have I actually looked at too many pictures, but I've seen videos of it on YouTube. I think the shade of blue here might be a little dark, but I could be wrong. I really would have to go and double check against the real thing. But overall, the mold, the whole livery itself, you know, besides the colors, everything, the design, everything looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and pop on in here, zoom in, and let's get some detail. Or let's check out the details, should I say. So, starting off with the nose, has some really nice detail there. The windows, love that sort of raccoon look. Got a French flag right there, and then you have EY on the nose gear there. It looks like the nose gear is a little like bent. It's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like it's a little bent actually, which that's unfortunate. As you can see, it looks like it's a little crooked there, but overall the gear itself looks pretty detailed. I think it might be a little high for what it is, but overall pretty good. You have a lot of small little details around the L1 door there. Got the FrenchBee logo and then the FrenchBee titles. Static ports there, you got the antennas on the top and bottom. Sanji doesn't do the little beacon light like Aviation 400. But there, you know, here's the engines. Looking really nice. These are hollow. I believe they spin too, but I'm not going to go test it. And as you can see, so interesting enough, they're pretty far back. Like the blades are pretty far back in there. I think that's probably one of the few issues with this mold and this model is those blades are pretty far back in there. I don't think that's quite accurate. The engines overall look really good. You're moving along. Got the wings looking really nice. The wing tips, a nice blue. And you see on the inside, there's the FrenchBee logo. Then moving along, you got that nice, the shades of blue at the back here. You got the Wi-Fi box and the antennas. Registration, Foxtrot, Dash, Hotel, Romeo, Echo, Yankee. And then A359-900 below there. You got the little bulk bin compartment right there, the door there. Got L3 and 4. And then you have the nice tail with the FrenchBee logo. So very, very nice model. Spin around, take a look down. Looking really nice. As you can see, that nose gear is a slightly crooked, ever so slightly. It's not a huge deal, but anyway, this side you got the cargo door on the forward part of the aircraft, and then you have the cargo door, the aft part. So some good detail in and around those two, and all over in general. So looking very, very nice. We'll go ahead and take a look at the top and the bottom of the aircraft. So top, just top down view, and then the bottom, it's got the FrenchBee titles and the logo looking really, really nice. I think that's a nice touch. And the registration here on the bottom of the wing. So very nice. A solid model. So 9 out of 10, or probably 9.5 out of 10. Looking really, really good. So we'll go ahead and put this off to the side, and we'll go ahead and jump in to the British Airways portion. So here we have the British Airways 777-200 ER, and just a standard Union Jack livery. Box. Nothing fancy, but very nice box art as always. There was another model that was released, I forget which special livery that had on it. So you know how they do, like the boxes, they'd match kind of like hand in hand. I believe that one would have complemented this box, but yeah, not too bad. There's no worries, I didn't need both of them, so box is a little dinged up there, but that's again, I believe from shipping, from the manufacturer, not actually from the retailer, which I got these from Panda Fox models, that's right, yes. Panda Fox Toys models. Either way, I got them from Panda Fox. Alrighty, let's go ahead and open her up. There's a little collector's card. Take that off to the side. Alrighty. I'm scared that something's gonna happen. Get it out of here nice and gently. Alrighty. Oh, she's a beauty. Alright. This packaging. Alrighty. So, an excellent looking model. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look. So, here we go. Zooming in. Small details there around the cockpit. Pretty plain though. Got the L1 door, got the little One World logo next to it. Got IY on the nose gear door, and the nose gear is looking pretty good. British Airways titles. L2 door, looking really nice. Lots of little great details around there. Got the Wi-Fi, or sorry, the antennas and the engines now. These ones are the solid engines, but there's a lot of, you know, the fan blades look really, really good. There's highly detailed, they're highly detailed. So, you know, I think that looks pretty good. Just moving along. The wings looking really nice. Good shape, not flexed. You know, really nice. NG always does a good job with their models. They're like, you know, their wings not being super flexed or anything or weird, like Gemini just tends to do. The gear looking pretty good. There's some good detail on them. They don't tilt, which is also, you know, I think it's fine. I don't really care if it tilts or not. They're rolling landing gear, but they chose to fix it for more detail to the actual gear, and I think they look fantastic. You know, it's the little things that make them unique, and that is one of them. So moving on, got the Wi-Fi dome there at the back, got the antennas, got the registration Golf Dash Victor India Yankee, and the L3 and L4 door here, and then you have the beautiful like flag sort of tail Union Jack at the back. So I got a little IY up the top of the tail there. So yeah, on this side, oh my bad to just know, I believe this also does have that, does this have that little bulk bin door? No, so the 777 does not have it on this side. It is actually on this side. So you can see it right there back, quite aft of the actual cargo door here. And yeah, just moving along, got the engines, GE 90s, and then at the front and everything. So looking really, really nice. Looking at nose, oh, just noticing that. Look at how crooked that is. That's unfortunate. Not sure why that is like that, but that's it's pretty crooked. So see, so and even NG has little issues, but it's just the small things like that. It's not like, you know, terribly broken models for the most part. Still disappointing though, because we pay so much for these. We can see that's kind of crooked, which sucks. We'll go ahead and take a look at the underneath, and then we'll wrap it up. So there's the top, here's the bottom. So you got the registration on the wing there, and then the bottom, which is just plain blue. You can see those landing gear looking really good. The main ones at least, and then this crooked nose one, which is a little unfortunate that it's a little unfortunate it's gotta be crooked like that a bit. And it's not too bad, but it definitely is there. It is noticeable. So oh well. We'll go ahead and wrap this on up though now. We'll bring the other one, the FrenchBee, in here. And there we have these two solid models, you know, both 9.5. Just the gear, honestly, it's just the nose gears for both, unfortunately, being a little either twisted or crooked. But overall, still really nice models. Highly recommend them. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more model unboxing videos and plane spotting videos. Take care, everyone. See you later. Bye-bye.